Chapter 1. The Hidden Trigger. Just imagine this for a second. There is something remarkably simple, yet incredibly powerful, that most men completely miss without ever noticing it. But the instant a man truly understands it and starts living by it, something changes. It's almost like a hidden switch turns on inside a woman's mind. All at once, she begins to see him in a different light. She thinks about him, she misses him. Most men spend their entire lives never uncovering this truth. Will you be one of them? If you're still reading, chances are you don't want to belong to that majority. Curious to know more? Let me tell you a story that explains it clearly. This isn't about tricks or flashy tactics. It's about a deeper transformation, a subtle shift that changes the way you carry yourself through life and how others respond to you, especially women. There once was a man named Marcus. On the outside, he seemed completely average. There was nothing particularly remarkable about him. Like countless other men? Chapter 2. The man nobody noticed. He constantly struggled. He cared far too much about what others thought of him. Everywhere he went, he searched for approval, compliments, attention, and validation. He believed those things would finally make him feel complete. Yet no matter how much effort he put in, he still felt unseen, especially around women and in social settings. Then, one day, Chapter 3. The truth few people discuss. Something inside Marcus changed. It wasn't because of a motivational speech or some clever self-improvement trick. Instead, he came across an ancient philosophy that had stood the test of time: Stoicism. At first, he couldn't fully grasp it. He questioned how something so old could possibly help with confidence or attraction in the modern world. But the deeper he explored it, the more everything started making sense in a way it never had before. Stoicism teaches a powerful lesson. Focus on what you can control and release what you cannot. Think about that for a moment. Most men allow their emotions to take charge of them. They react immediately, become angry, feel insecure, grow defensive, say things they later regret, and constantly seek reactions from others. Women notice that right away. They can sense that instability. Chapter 4. Why emotional instability pushes people away. Let's be honest. It doesn't create confidence, nor does it inspire attraction. A stoic man stands apart because his response is different. He doesn't panic when life goes wrong. He keeps his composure while everyone else is falling apart. Picture a crowded room filled with chaos. Chapter 5. The presence women notice immediately. People are arguing, emotions are running wild. Yet there you are, calm, centered, and unaffected, like a mountain standing firm in the middle of a storm. That silent strength naturally attracts attention. Women recognize it instantly. As Marcus Aurelius once said, you have power over your mind, not over external events. Once you truly understand that, genuine strength begins to develop. The moment you stop chasing approval and start living according to your own values, something remarkable happens. You no longer crave attention, and ironically, people begin giving it to you. Not only women, but people in general. Most men never reach this stage. They react to everything around them. A small insult can ruin their entire mood. A bad day dictates their behavior. They carry frustration wherever they go. But a stoic man pauses. Chapter 6. The question that earns respect. He asks himself a simple question: is this worth my energy? Most of the time, the answer is no. The ability to choose calm instead of chaos is deeply respected and surprisingly attractive. Stoicism isn't about suppressing your emotions or pretending you don't feel anything. It's about mastering how you respond. Knowing when to speak, when to remain silent, when